penny with one source again. I'm going to show you a few more appliances and how to find their model and serial numbers. We're going to start with a microwave. All microwaves, simply open the door, and the information you need is going to be right on the face of the microwave or sometimes on the inside of the door. Now we'll move directly into a cooktop. This is an Atwood cooktop. This burner cover has to come off, which this one you push back and then pull it out. Move it out of the way, and underneath you'll find your model and serial number. It's light. And we'll move straight down to, this one has a Fisher Paykel dishwasher. Open your drawer, and on the face, at the bottom of it, you'll see your model and serial number. Next, we will move to the refrigerator freezer. This is a Dometic. Norcross is the same. Simply open the refrigerator freezer door, and on the edge of the frame, you will see your model and serial number. And as with all Dometic, record your product number as well.